In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GoHighLevel account. We're going to walk through this together from the very beginning, so even if you've never used GoHighLevel before, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, open your web browser and head over to google.com. In the search bar at the top, type GoHighLevel as one word, then press enter on your keyboard. This is the fastest way to get to the official website without having to remember the exact web address. On the results page, look for the official GoHighLevel website. It's usually the first result and will clearly mention the brand name. Go ahead and click on that link to open the homepage. Make sure you're on the official site before you enter any details, just as a general safety tip whenever you're signing up for a new platform. Once the homepage loads, you'll see an option for a 14-day free trial. This is what you want, because it lets you try the software before your build. Click on the button that says 14-day free trial. That will take you to the account creation form. On this form, you'll start by entering your company name. Click into the company name field and type in the business or brand name you want associated with your GoHighLevel account. If you're just getting started and don't have a formal company yet, you can simply use your personal brand name or a placeholder that you plan to use for your business. Next, move down to the full name field. Click into that box and type your first and last name. Use your real name here, because this is what will be used for your account profile and for communication from GoHighLevel. Then click into the email address field and add your email. Choose an email you have easy access to and check regularly, because GoHighLevel may send you important account notifications and login details there. After that, click into the phone number field and type in your number. Include your country code if it's requested on the form. Using a valid number can help with account verification and support if you ever need assistance. When all of those fields are complete, click on the button that says Go to step number 2. On this second step, you'll enter your card details. Even though it's a free trial, a card is usually required to activate the account. Carefully fill in your card number, expiration date, and security code. Then follow the prompts to finish the onboarding process. It typically takes less than 5 minutes and is very straightforward. Once you've submitted everything, your GoHighLevel account will be